My name is Charlene Seepersod. I'm from Woodhaven, Queens, and my major is finance. I've come to believe that if you can dream of something, if you believe, if you've got the right people behind you to encourage you, it's yours.
My name is Gemma. I'm a junior at St. Francis College. I'm a double major in communications and English. I think New York can be a very daunting place, but St. Francis kind of offers a way to make it a lot more manageable with a smaller community that's really personalized. So I take a lot of specialized, smaller film courses where I'm really allowed to work with equipment.
My name is Akeem Johnson. I'm from Brooklyn, New York, and my major is criminal justice. Growing up, I felt like I wanted to be a superhero, just like every other kid. But as I got older, I realized that I needed to find a career, and I thought law was perfect for me. I like everything about law. Law makes everything possible. Law is what determines what's wrong and right.
My name is Cindy Hernandez. I'm a biology and psychology major, and I'm from Staten Island. Starting here, I was very intimidated, very nervous, kind of scared, but I think I've grown, I've matured. A lot of different things shaped my dreams to become a pediatrician. One of the main factors was when I was 14 years old, I was misdiagnosed as a lupus patient, and I had to relearn how to walk, how to talk, and how to do everyday things like brush my teeth. I chose St. Francis because as soon as I walked through the doors, I kind of had a spiritual feeling, which I can't explain, that just connected me to the school right away. I just knew it would be my home for the next 4 years.
I chose St. Francis College because of the community around us and the one-on-one time we had with professors and students.
At St. Francis, it's really different. Like, teachers will push you, make sure you do well, and make sure you work to your full potential.
My name is Joe Achirito. I'm a phys ed major here in St. Francis College, and I'm from Bensonhurst, Brooklyn. The community feeling here at St. Francis is the best part of the school. It's the reason why everybody gets along in the college, and it's the reason why everybody is able to succeed in the college also. At the end of the 4 years that I graduate here, I'm required to student teach for a full semester.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
How's everybody feel?
I'm involved with student government, so I'm in charge of over 35 clubs in the school. I'm also involved in the student activities department.
I'm also a member of St. Francis's swimming and water polo teams.
I try to do new things that scare me, so I know what it'll feel like to my students. When I graduate from St. Francis College, the person that I'm going to be is one that is willing to look fear in the eye, kind of take on any challenge in life, because that's what St. Francis College has taught me.
I'd really like to change the way that people see things with beautiful images, just giving them different impressions and changing the way that they see the world.
Just being misdiagnosed makes me want to heal others. I want to make sure no other patient has to suffer. I faced death head-on, and I think that's one of the biggest challenges you can possibly face.
When I started at St. Francis College, I didn't really know what I wanted to do, and St. Francis College helped me decide on my major and the type of person I want to become in the future. I just have this goal of working for one of the top finance companies.
Growing up in junior high school, I've always been doubted. People told me I couldn't make the basketball team. People told me I couldn't be one of the top students in my class. And I ended my high school year being the captain of the basketball team and also finishing top 10 academically. Being doubted has never stopped me before.
Now I actually know where I'm headed to, and I have a goal set to make my dreams come true.
Coming to St. Francis has really allowed me to step out of my shell and really figure out who I am in this city.
But right now, I'm a lot more active, I have a lot more friends, and I think a big part of it is St. Francis College.
If I accomplished my goals and achieved my dream of making society a healthier place, I think that would be awesome.
If you believe it, you can accomplish it.
Most of all, I just want to make my parents proud.